In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recolor an entire deck using replace colors techniques in PowerPoint. If you've inherited a mismatched slide deck or you're rolling out a new brand palette, this walkthrough will help you update everything quickly and consistently without manually recoloring each shape or slide. The best place to start is with theme colors. Go to Design, then Variants, Open Colors, and choose Customize Colors. Here you'll map your new brand palette to the theme slots for text, background, accents, and hyperlinks. When you replace the theme colors and click Save, PowerPoint instantly cascades those changes across shapes, charts, smart art, and any text that was using theme-linked colors. This is the most effective method because theme colors are dynamic. When they change, anything tied to them updates automatically, keeping your deck consistent now and in the future. Images, however, don't respond to theme changes. For photos, icons, and screenshots, select the image, go to Picture Format, choose Color, and then Replace Colors. Pick the From color that you want to shift and the To color you want it to become. This works well for flat icons and logos with solid fills, and it can also nudge the tones in photos. Keep in mind, it only applies to images, not vector shapes or text. After the theme update, you may notice leftover elements that didn't change. That usually means they were formatted with custom RGB colors. To fix this, select the object and use Shape Fill or Font Color to reassign it to a theme color instead of a custom value. Once an object is tied to a theme slot, it will respond to your color scheme now and anytime you update it later. Next, open the Slide Master by going to View and then Slide Master. Recolor backgrounds, placeholders, and commonly used icons once in the master, and those updates will flow to all slides that use those layouts. This step is a big time saver and keeps your layouts pristine, especially for recurring elements like title bars, footer accents, and section headers. For charts and smart art, click the chart, go to Chart Design, and select Change Colors. Choose theme-based palettes only so the visuals stay aligned with your updated color scheme. This ensures legends, data series, and smart art nodes adapt properly and remain consistent across the deck. By starting with theme colors, using Replace Colors for images, cleaning up any custom colors, updating the slide master, and batch adjusting charts and smart art, you'll recolor your entire presentation cleanly and confidently.